issued by the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids, Michigan. A frontal boundary across lower Michigan will move north as a warm front on Friday night. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Newago County in west central Michigan, northwestern Mecosta County in central Michigan, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Reed City, or 10 miles southeast of Baldwin, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Big Rapids, Paris, Hawkins. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.